This is a Bel Air. 1955. Nice. I'll probably be able to enjoy this more when I watch the video because I was gonna run through it now. 1955 Bel Air. It's all right, I'm here for the cars. I'm gonna say let's just do a walk by. Let's do a walk by and then we'll come back and look at specific ones. Monte Carlo SS, Mustang, a Boss 351 Mustang, look at that. Another Mustang.
I was behind you on the way in this morning and I saw the car, I'm like, find the car show.